Hey, what is up, guys, and welcome to another video. So in this video, I'll be installing a tow hook cover on my 7th-gen Nissan Maxima. I got it painted to match from my friends over at bumpers.deliver.com by MBI Auto. If you follow the channel, you know that I'm partnered with them, so you get $20 off using promo code Scorpion20 at www.bumpers.deliver.com. Now, I'll consider this your one-stop shop for any replacement parts for your vehicle. And if they do not have it on the website, just give them a call or email them. All their information is on the website, and they could source pretty much any parts for you. Like for me, and for this instance, I asked them if they could source me this, and they asked for my paint code, and I got it painted to match. And you can see it's a genuine tow hook cover. Now I'm gonna show you how to install this, and then if you had to take one off and reinstall a new one, I'll also demonstrate that in this video. But like I said, if you need parts for your car and it's not on the website, give them a call, shoot them an email, let them know what you need, your make and model, and if it has to be painted, give them your paint code, and if they could source it for you, they got you covered, no issues. So let's get on with this video. So now if we had to install one, this is the process. Let me get all the staples off. And this front bumper is also from bumpers.deliver.com, painted to match. See, exactly spot on. So if you was installing this little arrow piece that you see right here slides into that slot. So you just slide it in like that. And then what you want to do, put this up first. Make sure it's sitting on this lip first. Just slide it up, put it at an angle. And then push it in, and it'll snap into place. Now, if you had to remove one to put, because it's probably damaged, scuffed up, looking horrible, in the case that you had to replace it, I'm gonna show you what's in it. So, and if you had to replace it, you want to get like a small flathead or anything similar that could fit within this little slot you see right there. So you want to carefully go in, put it in an angle, and then gently pop it out. And then to remove this piece, pinch the arrows inwards and pull out. So when I mean pinch, you do that. Open it back up. And you can see I ain't scratched up the paint or anything. And then to reinstall, like I already demonstrated, pop it back in. And voila. So that's how you install, and also how, if you had to replace it, how to remove it from your front bumper. But that's it for this video. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.